Alright, hey, what's going on, and welcome to the video. So during editing prior to this video, I realized I failed to let you guys know what was actually going on. So in the last video, we went over the Mazda3 wheels. So we got them powder coated flat black at a local shop. Anyways, got them picked up, and they are currently sitting in the Mazda3 trunk as we speak. So I'm going to go ahead and roll some film. It's going to show me dropping them off at the Discount Tire, which is where we go. And you guys will end up seeing the finished product of everything. It turned out pretty nice, except there is one little flaw. So stick around and we'll see together what that flaw actually is. So let's go ahead and roll that tape from the other day. Alright, time to throw those wheels on today. Watch out. Alright, Discount Tire bound. See you guys once we get there. Alright, trusted Discount Tire, here we are. So the cool thing about Discount Tire is they set up, if you don't want to sit there and wait in the shop about an hour to wait, they can send you a text message or call you. So I opted to do the text message, and just got the text message. Your vehicle is ready for pickup. And that was at 1:06, it's currently 1:43, so we're running a little behind. That's just shy of 45 minutes, 40 minutes. So pretty good quick turnaround. Obviously it's going to depend on how busy the store is.
And if you have an appointment.
So we had a 12:30 appointment and they texted me at 1:06. So that's pretty good timing. So we're going to head out over there from Home Depot and check out the car. It should be totally transformed with new wheels on there. So pretty excited about it. Y'all like my new whip? It's what is this, a 2018 Toyota Tundra. Alright, Discount Tire, here we are. Heather gets to drive this Tundra while I pick up the car, so she's like, can you please back it up? So I do her a solid and help her out. If you can't pull forward, then you probably got a problem, you shouldn't drive. Alright, Discount Tire of Melbourne, you guys rocked again. Shout out to Alex if you guys ever stumble upon this video. Service was great, appreciate everything. He even took me outside, made sure I liked everything the way it sat. Just to address any issues right now, but no issues, so I'm gonna go ahead and go home, wash the car. Might stop at the car wash, I don't know yet. And because I'm definitely not gonna show you guys the tires when this car is filthy as it is. So yeah, depending if I make it home or the car wash, I'll go ahead and show you guys the aftermath of the new tires.